So guys, that's how we pulled off a vintage look on these sneakers, all thanks to Varsha. What's up guys, welcome once again to this channel Smart Kicks, and this channel is all about shoes. She is Varsha.
And he is Amit.
And we are doing this video today because we are going to partially customize these Air Jordan 1 mid-band sneakers and give them a different look. And I'm sure that you guys are going to love this process because this is very thrilling to watch. So are we ready?
Yes, excited to do this.
Let's go. So guys, as she starts preparing herself with her tools and props, let me brief what we are going to do with these sneakers. So do you see this particular red strip? We are going to change this to a black color and also give an oxidized finish to this whole white strip. And if you want to know more about these kicks, we have done a video recently wherein we talked extensively about Air Jordan 1 mid band. So guys, that's how we pulled off a vintage look on these sneakers, all thanks to Varsha.
Oh, thank you so much. In fact, I truly enjoyed working on this, and my experience at Futstep came very handy.
Guys, I know the exact reason why she enjoyed working on them, because she is passionate about painting and all the work that comes in for sneaker customization at Futstep. Her team manages that. If in case you want to check out our work, you should check out our Instagram page where we have worked on most of the hyped and expensive sneaker. We are leaving the link in the description below. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please share this video with your sneaker buddies and your friends also. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you go away. We have done some more videos related to sneakers and sneaker brands on our channel. You must watch that. I'm sure you will love that. Thank you once again. Until our next video, you guys stay fit and keep watching Smart Kicks.